Hi friends, I'm Alex. You know, my dears, the day before I wondered if I could teach you how to cook borsch. And I found it is a great idea. In fact, it is not so hard. All you need, just watching me in the process carefully. Okay, make yourself comfortable and let's get started. So, to cook borsch, I take a glass of beans and put it in the saucepan with water. Then I put the saucepan on the flames and bring it to the boiling. When it boils, I reduce the flames and keep it boiling around 30 minutes. While boiling the beans, I prepare all the necessary vegetables: potatoes, onion, carrot and red beet. And also I chop some cabbage. When I have all the vegetables peeled, I chop potatoes, and put it in the saucepan. Then I prepare all the rest vegetables. I chop onion, I grate carrot and red beet. Then I put the skillet on the flames and pour a little oil in. Then I put all the chopped vegetables in the skillet. But as for the onion, I put it in the skillet a little bit later. I should stir this mess every time and fry it until golden brown. In 10 minutes after potatoes, it's high time for the cabbage. Also I put some salt, bay leaves and some coriander. In the middle of frying, I put 50 grams of tomato in the cup and dissolve it in the boiling water. Then I pour it in the skillet. When the frying is done, I put it in the saucepan and cook all this next 10 minutes. One last moment. I cut some parsley and celery, put it in the saucepan, cover it with a lid and keep 5 next minutes. That's all, my friends. The borsch is done and you can serve it on the table. And at this point, that's all, my friends. If you like my content, click your like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye!